So this morning I found Wollem somewhere in one of the stands, the desk drawers, and then when I opened the door from my room, he started flying away, and then somehow found his way back to here. But then, as I'm looking at Mellow, it looks like she got some kind of wound or some kind of cut on her. See, I don't know if you can see it. It's on her head. And I'm guessing it was Wollem that did it. So I don't know what happened last night. They might have some kind of fight or something, but yeah, it looks like Mellow got, see, I don't know if you can see it right there. I might need to, I don't know what to do. I think I might need to rehome Wollem. I can't have him. Yeah, I mean, with him just, just a little, I thought it was just playful, but it looks like it's not. See, she gonna have a cut on her head, and that looks pretty bad. I don't know what happened. It must have been something bad, right, Mellow? Of course, Mellow's just playing it like it's nothing. See, I think you can see it there. So you okay, Mellow? Yeah, I don't know. I think this is yeah, it's okay, Mellow. I think we're gonna have to, I don't want to have to rehome Wollem. Maybe I'll have him. Yeah, this is not okay. Because then, it might be something worse. It might get worse. And she'll end up with something, more major. Although this looks like it's something major already. So, it's pretty bad. Okay. Hi, Wollem. How you doing? Oh yeah, he has those I don't know, those webs. I think he might have gotten it from the stand that he was on. So I think what happened was that they had a fight last night because they slept on the top of cage here, and then they probably had the usual what I thought to be a playful thing, but I'm guessing it got really bad where he had to hurt Mellow on her head. Yeah, that's not okay. So, and then, I don't know, somehow he ended up flying over to the stand and slept the night there. So yeah, when I got up this morning and I opened my door, he flew away out somewhere and then somehow came back to the cage. But yeah, definitely, I'm gonna have to think about it and see what I'm gonna do. In the meantime, I think I'm gonna get Mellow inside her cage because I don't know how to get Wollem back in the cage. I'm gonna need to get him back in his cage and not let him out. Not good, Wollem. Not good.